Viewers, welcome to Future Leaders Tutorials. Let's solve this problem on the board. Obtain the value for x. Find x in this given shape. So in mathematics, first of all, you need to analyze the shape. What kind of shape is being given to you before you are being asked to look for the value of that shape. Now, if you look at this, this is not, it's not a triangle. This is not also a circle. This is not also a rectangle. So all you need to do is just spend like few minutes or seconds to analyze the question so that you know where to start and what to do. Now this looks like a right angle triangle. How do I know? This is a straight line. From P to Q is a straight line. In mathematics, you can always introduce any line. Why do you need to introduce any line? To make your solvings effectively, and to also enable you to handle that problem, also to enable you to solve the problem. Now we have this is a straight line here. I will introduce my line here. Now why do I need to introduce a line here? To give me the rightful shape. And what is that shape I'm talking about? A right angle triangle. Now this is a right angle triangle. This is the shape. This is a straight line. I will now say, okay, at this point that is P, at that point this is Q at this point. Then I have introduced my dotted line. Yes, and I will now assign a letter to here. Yes, it is allowed. Introduce any letter of your choice so that you can always, this will guide you, it will enable you to solve this problem. So now this is still at this point here. Then I will now cover here. This is my hypotenuse side of it. So you can see that here is now 90 degrees. In every right angle triangle, it is equals to what? 90 degrees. So now this is a right angle triangle at this point. I can as well cover this page. Also, I can as well cover this place. Yeah, you believe with me, you can compare this shape now. This shape and this shape here is the same thing. Yes, P, this is P, Q, and T at this point here. Meaning that the whole of this now at this point is equals to what? Must be equals to what? 90 degrees. Because sum of angles in a right angle triangle is equals to what? The angle of the right angle triangle is 90 degrees. The angle of a right angle triangle is 90 degrees. That is, here is 90, meaning that the whole of this place here must be equals to 90. The sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. But angle in a right angle triangle is 90 degrees, meaning that here is 90. So here must be 90. So we have here, let's solve the problem. 2x degrees plus 3x degrees plus x degrees equals to what? 90 degrees. Always make sure that you equate it to what? To 90 degrees, because this is a right angle triangle and therefore it must be equals to what? 90 degrees. Now we have 2x plus 3x plus x. This will give me nothing but what? 6x degrees equals to what? 90 degrees. At this point here,